is stock selection. Now, I can talk about, for example, Ralph Acampora, one of the founders of the CMT Association. And I've shared this story before, but we've shared some of his methodologies before. But the reality is, I mean, we invited him out. I was the co-chair of the Market Technicians Association of Utah. We had him come out, and we took him to some colleges and teaching and stuff like that. This is a big thing for him. He had several different things he looks at, right? Number one, it better have relative performance. He was not really a kind of a trend reversal, or at least not from the perspective of what he shared, right? Relative performance is a significant part of technical analysis. What I'm doing over here is looking at relative performance, and you better be outperforming the S&P 500, right? There's an element of relative performance. The second thing which he really liked to look for was high short interest / ratio. I'm sure he looked at other fundamental economic stuff, but these two things were very significant as part of his stock selection process. Relatively simple, outperforming and having high short interest, but this led him to the types of stocks that he wanted to trade. And so for those who are only looking at price, there has to be another step here, right? There has to be a stock selection. Understand your hammer. Understand the tool that you have in your hand. Maybe you're trading signals, but then also understand what jobs those tools are good for.